I enter the mall.
I enter the mall.
I look around to see the stores.
Look around to see the stores.
I check the mall directory.
I check the mall directory.
I decide where to go first.
I decide where to go first.
I head to my favorite store.
I head to my favorite store.
I enter the clothing store.
I enter the clothing store.
I browse through the clothes.
I browse through the clothes.
I look at the price tags.
I look at the price tags.
Do you have this in a smaller size?
Do you have this in a smaller size?
Is there a fitting room nearby?
Is there a fitting room nearby?
Does this come in other colors?
Does this come in other colors?
How much does this cost?
How much does this cost?
Can I return this if it doesn't fit?
Can I return this if it doesn't fit?
Is this on sale?
Is this on sale?
What's the price of this shirt?
What's the price of this shirt?
Do you have any discounts today?
Do you have any discounts today?
How much is this after the discount?
How much is this after the discount?
Are there any offers on this item?
Are there any offers on this item?
Does this item have a price tag?
Does this item have a price tag?
Can you check the price for me?
Can you check the price for me?
Is this the final price?
Is this the final price?
I like this color.
I like this color.
This fabric feels soft.
This fabric feels soft.
I think this is too expensive.
I think this is too expensive.
I need a pair of shoes.
I need a pair of shoes.
This one looks better.
This one looks better.
Do you think this fits me?
Do you think this fits me?
I'll try this on.
I'll try this on.
I need a gift for a friend.
I need a gift for a friend.
This is my size.
This is my size.
Can you show me something similar?
Can you show me something similar?
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards?
Can I pay with cash?
Can I pay with cash?
Can I get a receipt, please?
Can I get a receipt, please?
Is there an additional charge for using a card?
Is there an additional charge for using a card?
Do you offer gift wrapping?
Do you offer gift wrapping?
Can I pay in installments?
Can I pay in installments?
Does this include taxes?
Does this include taxes?
I would like to pay now.
I would like to pay now.
Can I use a coupon here?
Can I use a coupon here?
I need a shopping bag.
I need a shopping bag.
Where is the food court?
Where is the food court?
I had like a coffee.
I had like a coffee.
Is there a vegetarian option?
Is there a vegetarian option?
How long is the wait?
How long is the wait?
Can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu?
Do you have bottled water?
Do you have bottled water?
I decide to have pizza.
I decide to have pizza.
I pay for my meal.
I pay for my meal.
I find a table to sit.
I find a table to sit.
I go to the checkout counter.
I go to the checkout counter.
I watch the cashier scan the items.
I watch the cashier scan the items.
This store has great products.
This store has great products.
I love the quality here.
I love the quality here.
The store is well organized.
The store is well organized.
I take the escalator down.
I take the escalator down.
I notice a new store opening soon.
I notice a new store opening soon.
I stop for a quick photo.
I stop for a quick photo.
I decide to take a shortcut.
I decide to take a shortcut.
I head towards the exit.
I head towards the exit.
I check if I have all my bags.
I check if I have all my bags.
I look for a parking lot.
I look for a parking lot.
I leave the mall through the main door.
I leave the mall through the main door.
I feel tired but happy.
I feel tired but happy.